Construction on the Sacramento Weir Widening Project is in full swing as it enters its second year. Foundations for the new passive weir, fish passage structure, setback levee, road realignments, and other significant enhancements are all taking shape. Let's briefly explore the project's current progress. The Sacramento region's sunny veneer is prone to swift transformation into a flood disaster zone. To combat this growing threat, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and California's water agencies have teamed up with a new arsenal of projects to manage the area's flood risk. One of those is the Sacramento Weir Widening Project, which includes several primary features focused on both flood management and environmental restoration. At the heart of the project is the construction of a new passive weir, expanding the existing weir to more than half a mile in length. Spanning nearly 1,500 feet and built with concrete, the new structure is designed to automatically manage excessive floodwaters by allowing them to spill over into the Yolo bypass, thus reducing pressure on the Sacramento River during peak flow periods. Rigs as tall as a 10-story building drive piles, some as long as 94 feet, deep into the ground, forming the foundation for the new infrastructure. Adjacent to the weir, the project features extensive levee work, including the north levee setback and the degradation of existing levees, adding up to thousands of linear feet of earthen construction. These modifications aim to enhance the floodplain's capacity and resilience. A key component of the project is road improvements, which include realigning Old River Road, constructing a vehicle bridge over the new weir, and realigning County Road 126. These enhancements, totaling a mile, will improve accessibility and safety for the surrounding areas. Environmental considerations are integral, with the construction of a technical fish ladder and a fish passage channel, providing safe migration routes for local aquatic species. These structures are accompanied by advanced engineering, including concrete channels, steel flow control gates, and rock-lined exits. The Sacramento Weir Widening Project not only aims to safeguard over 500,000 residents from flooding, but also preserves the river's ecological integrity, ensuring a sustainable future for the region.